Hi guys, I'm Jack. It's time to unpack again. What is going to be unboxed today? It's this, the long-awaited car refrigerator for the Model X. Jack is driving a 2023 Model X, but this car refrigerator is a sad model. You can use it even with an old Model X. And what about this refrigerator? There is a large size of 40 liters. Let's open it up and show you. This part is very big. And then there's a little if you want to freeze something small. If you need ice, there is a layered section. It's right here. I've been to measure it. Probably, you can put 1, 2, 3, or 4 bottles like this. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's about 6 bottles. You can put 24 bottles of Aprial. You see how deep this refrigerator is. Okay, what about this? It supports 12 volts. We attach a 12 volts plug. 12 volts plug. We can plug it directly into the car. Okay, so I'll give you a rough explanation. This is what if you are participating in a pre-order. Guys, you've seen what Jack introduced before. There is a heat shield, exclusive to Tesla. This board. What about this board? We attach a plate for dissipating heat. Tailor-made. If you don't have this plate, you can put this lid next to it. Isn't there a little lid next to it? It is also ventilated, for the bottom is connected. The same can dissipate heat next. Now this refrigerator is the world's first. You won't find it in the market. Let's get in the car. Then when we put the refrigerator in it. And then what if you're underneath? Remember to pick it up when you have this mat underneath. The refrigerator was moved directly into it. It's a perfect fit to get it. And then, if you're going to plug it in, the electric part is here. The plug is plugged directly into the side. Okay, to put the fridge on. It has a board, very easy to use. Then we plug in 12 volts directly. Plug it directly next to this one of ours. Then we have this bubble button when we just press it. What if you're going to set your temperature? You can do this directly. And then you see this minimum is minus 22 degrees. Then you can adjust your temperature. If you don't let it freeze, if just refrigerate, your temperature can continue to be adjusted unless you're going to freeze well. It's all there. Just set it up like this. So we finished testing it now. So our second point is, you see us open this up. Even if you have a light here in the back compartment, if you want to pick up something at night, it has to make a lamp. LED lights are in. If you're going to return to the wind, you can turn this on. Okay, then let the air come out this way. Then let's put a lid on it for you to see. Do you see the refrigerator down here? But this place is in the wind. When our car is running, it is very convenient. What's next? We're going to put this refrigerator to Model X installed before 2023 for you to see. Let's put it on. This is a good cover for the old. You see, this is the old Model X. After opening it, the refrigerator looks like. Then the whole refrigerator is fine. The whole size is just right. That's it for locks up. Also, it's a pre-order now. This thing is the world premiere. Shipments are expected to start in April. It has an additional insulating panel on top of housekeeping. That's a separate delivery of that heat shield. It's tailor-made. There's nowhere else.